Hello YouTube, English with Eziz here, and after a long absence I'm back on my channel. Today's video is gonna be about basics of language that you're learning. Today I'm not going to teach you any vocabularies. Instead, I'll show you how to use articles. So if you're interested, let's get started. Probably many of the students know what's the meaning of article. However, I want to make it much clear for you guys. Articles are a special type of adjectives that helps to show if a noun is definite or indefinite. Artiklar adın bellidir ya da ne bellidir görkülmüş için olunlar. In Russian and also in Turkmen language, there's no articles, so it might be a little bit hard to learn for Turkmens. Rus diline hem de Türkmen diline artikel'leyip gramatika yok. Şunun için İngiliz dilini öğrenen Türkmenler için biraz kıyın düşmüyor mümkün. Now, there are two types of articles. There are the definite article which contains the, and also indefinite articles that contain a and n. Türkmen diline bolma üşeyali İngiliz diline artiklerin fan görmüş var. Mälim artikli hem de nämälim artikli. Mälim artiklin düdümüne the, nämälim artiklin düdümüne orta a and saklanıyor. Let's look at these examples. There's difference between the White House and also a White House. The White House is a definite thing that the President of the America lives in there. It's a definite. And also a White House could be any home that is painted in white. In Turkmen, the White House dilini adamların gözünün hemişe Amerikan presidentinin yaşayan yeri gözünün ile. Ama a White House dilini daşı ifinlik bir ak renkteki cay gözünün gelip biler. Şunun için the ol dine mälim atlarda a n olsa dine nämälim atlarda olunlar. Now let's talk about the article which contains only the. The'nin idinin gelen atda birlik hem de köplük sanı bolup biler. For example, give me the book. We know which book we want. Give me the book dilini hayfi kitabı isteyenimizi biliyoruz. For example, give me the English book. Sometimes it's best to think of the as that. For example, give me the English book and also give me that English book are almost the same. Kağıtlar köplünç the'ni that hükmüne garata kim olur. For example, give me the book and also give me that book. Mingdeş dinleri. Now, when do we have to use the definite article? Let's look up. Before the specific objects. Belli ordatların önünden. Ya da olmasa dünyada yekece dağıtların önünden the'ni ulanıp bilirdi. For example, the Queen, the Earth, the Sun, the stars, we can also use. And the second one is, before the rivers, oceans, and also seas, you can use the. For example, the Indian Ocean, we use the. And the third one is, we use the before the points on the globe. For example, the Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Miki, before the geographical areas. And the next one is, we can use the before the deserts and also forests. For example, the Sahara. And the last but not least, we use the before the ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the second, the 10th. Now, when not to use the? Before the non-countable nouns, usually. Haçan din ulanmalı. Birincisi, tanınmayan adların din ulanmalı. For example, the milk, the money is incorrect. We just need to say money and also milk. And the next one is names of countries, except the USA and the UK. Yurtun adının önünün din koymak adağın. Ama the USA, the UK dilini hükman koymalı. And the third one is names of cities, towns, and states. Şehirçilerin hem de ştatların önünün dini koymak adağın. And the fourth one is names of lakes, names of continents, islands, and mountains. We don't have to use the. Ama geçenlikle akyanlan, deryalan, denizlen önünün adından dini koymalı yönü, köllüm önünün adından dini koymak adağın. And before the languages, we don't use any the. For example, the English language, the Turkmen language, we don't use the. And the next one is, before sport, we don't use any the. For example, the wrestling, the athletics, we don't use any V. Just say wrestling, weightlifting before the academic subjects. For example, chemistry, biology, math, we don't use any V. And the last but not least, before the seasons, we don't use any V. The summer, the autumn, the winter, the spring, we don't use any V. Just say summer, autumn, spring, winter. That's it. Now let's switch our discussion to the indefinite articles. They are A and N. A bilen N sanalyan addan birligine ulanýar. For example, an apple, an ice cream, a book, a world. Emma N'i çekimsiz bilen başlayan harflaryň öňüne goýmaly. For example, a world, a book. N bolsa çekimli bilen başlayan sözlerin öňüne goýmaly. For example, an umbrella, an ice cream, and an apple we can also use. Nevertheless, we came to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. That's very important. I love you all and take it easy, guys.